Insurance companies love bringing in premium dollars, but when it's time to pay it back out, they don't really care who's getting paid. So it's all about the money to them. So all of a sudden they're like, wait a minute, you want us to pay some of this back out? Well, we don't want to do that. I'm not saying your insurance company is evil or against you. I'm just saying that practically speaking, the money is the motivating factor for them. They take the human element out of it, and that's my concern. I'm not saying that they won't do what they're supposed to under your insurance policy, but keep in mind, you've been paying premiums for years, so you've got to deal with them. As long as I pay you these insurance premiums, you're going to protect me. And then when it's time to make a claim, that's when it's their turn to live up their end of the bargain. And so what you think is protecting you and what they think is protecting you sometimes is two different things. And that's why I think it's a good idea to at least consult with a lawyer so that you can get some advice and some perspective from somebody inside the system to decide whether you think your insurance company is protecting you or not.